Alright, today, boys and girls, we're going to continue with Lesson 7 in our place value and the standard MBT3. Today, we're going to be looking at number name, and we're going to also be looking at base 10 numeral. So the first one we're going to look at is number name. And so number name, when I think of a number name, all it wants is it wants you to write the number using words. So I have an example of the number 153. So it's given me the digits 1, 5, and 3, and the whole number is 153. Now I just have to write it using the words. So it wants me to write it in words. When I think about 153, I'm going to think about what I'm saying and write that down. So I know I have 100. So I'm going to write down 100. I know that 5 tens is 50, so I'm going to write down 50. And I know I have 3 ones, so that would just be 3. So I looked and I know I had 100, 5 tens was 50, and 3 ones was 3. So writing it using words is 153. So it's as I say it, that's what I would write down. So I write down 153. The next form we're going to look at is something called base 10 numerals. And when I use base 10 numerals, that's just another way to say that it wants you to write the digit for each place to show the number. So it's a fancy way of saying it wants me just to write the whole number. So if I look, this is expanded form, like we did in yesterday's lesson. So if I have 100 plus 80 plus 2, what is that numeral going to be, that whole number going to be? Well, I know that if I have 100, I would have 100. 80 is 8 tens, and 2 is 8 ones. So I know that when I write my whole number for 100 plus 80 plus 2, it equals 182. So I have 100, 8 tens, and 2 ones. Another way I might see it is it might give it to me in that number name, that word form. So it might give it to me in words. And so I have to think about what am I going to write down for this number? What is this whole number? So the number it's given me is 215. Well, I know when I have 200, it means I have 2 hundreds. And then I know the number 15 is a 1 and a 5. So that I know when it wants me to use the digits to write the whole number. So that's what base 10 numeral is, writing the whole number. I have 215, and that's what 215 looks like with base 10 numerals. So that is what we'll be working on today. You're going to practice writing each of those. Make sure you write them in your notebook, and don't forget to take notes.